Hiya! I'm Vicky and welcome to Pretty Little Claws. And today I'm going to show you how to do a holiday neon Sharpie
Tropical inspired
set of nails with neon. Yay! Toxic waste. One coat. I'm going to use Serious Black as my base coat for my palm tree leaves. Is it palm leaves?
Yeah.
Palm leaves. Cap in the free edge. I'm going in with Flame Point. Oh yes. Look at that. Push up towards the cuticle, down the middle, and get your sides. Don't get it on the skin like I've just done. Got the free edge. Off the skin. I think I'm going to go back in with Toxic Waste. And again, push up towards the cuticle, down the nail. Cap in the free edge. Pop that under the lamp, please. 30 seconds. And I haven't base coated because it's on top of a set of acrylics. But if this was on a natural set of nails, you would need to put a base coat. Right, it's going in for my second coat. Toxic Waste again. That's amazing.
It's insane.
So they're all nicely covered. Pop it on the lamp, 30 seconds please. Right, so with Snow White, I'm going to pop a little bit on my palette to draw my palm leaves. So with my Neo Nails 01 brush, I'm going to pop some of that Snow White on my brush. I'm going to start from the top of the nail. Using the tip of the brush, just drag down the nail. That's the centre. So I'm using the centre of your leaf, branch. It's basically just going to look like a feather. It's going to be mad colours soon. And this is dead easy design, doesn't need to be neat. So I'll start from the bottom, just add some more leaves. Pop that under the lamp for me please. 30 seconds. Clean off my brush with the Neo Nails Gel Residue Wipe Off Solution. So I'm cleaning my brush off because you do not want to cure it. You don't want any gel polish. If you accidentally leave it by your lamp, you're going to end up ruining your brushes, which I have done. Rest in peace, brushes. So with my palm leaves, I go in with a top coat. Cover the entire design. And I'm doing this because when I put my Sharpies on, if you don't, they don't spread out. So pop that under for 1 minute, please. So now I'm going to go in with my Sharpies and basically just colour wherever you want. But I'm going to try and do it so that when the colours blend, it's not going to turn out brown. So kind of go in. Let the yellow mix it with the blue, it's going to turn into a green. So I'll put a little bit of green in there and then it'll blend back into that yellow. And then using a Nail Nails 01 brush, I've dipped it in some wipe off residue solution and I'm just going to touch over where I've drawn with the Sharpies, and you can see it kind of goes like a tie-dye effect. Keep dipping and cleaning your brush because you don't want a brown colour. It'll dry quite quick as well, so you can go back in, like this bit's a little bit clear, so I can go back in with a bit more pink, maybe one a little bit more blue here. The more residue wipe off solution you put on, it'll take the colour off, so you only need a small amount. Because you don't want to take all that colour away. Put some orange down the bottom. Yay! Ta-da! When you're happy, you can top coat that because it dries really quick. So with the Urban Graffiti top coat, pop a layer over that. And cap that free edge. And then pop it under the lamp, 60 seconds please. So now with Serious Black, I'll pop a little bit in the palette and I'm going to put Palm Tree on this nail because I think it'll go really nicely with the one next to it. And I find it easier to do half a tree, right? You don't want to put it in the middle. I get a bit funny with symmetry. So draw like a spider. And then with the tip of the brush, I'm just gonna drag some pieces down. So you don't need much gel polish on your brush because you're just dipping back into the brush, into the gel polish that's already on the design. And I'm going to pop some birds in the background, I think. Just because I want to, because it looks a little bit plain. A little bit more on this top bit up here. It's like a little spike. Right, pop that onto the lamp, 30 seconds please. So I'm just going to top coat these 3.
Yeah.
And then I always do the thumb last, because when you put it in the lamp you don't want the product to slip off the nail. Top coat, don't need to top coat that one because it's already been done. I love how bright that is.
It's super.
It's neon's really in at the moment though. I've noticed loads of fashions are bringing out neon colours. Right, pop them under. 1 minute please. Right, now for your thumb. Again using flame point. Beautiful. It's really good coverage as well though. For a neon, it's not like watery. It's, oh, I've missed a bit. Cap it. Cap that free edge. Pop it under the lamp. Look at that. Doesn't really need another coat, but because I've done 2 on the other one, I'm going to do 2 on this one. I'm just going to wipe off sticky layer. Let that dry off. Oh, it's gone a bit matte. I'm going to wipe it off. That's why I need a top coat. Right, so I'm going to go back in with Serious Black, and I'm going to do 2 palm trees. I'm going to do a big one here and a little one. I'm going to do them the opposite way around actually. Do a bigger one there, a smaller one there. I feel like this is his hair. Do you know what I mean? Like it's like he's gonna have like a little afro there. And again, you don't need much product because you're pulling it off the middle bit you've already drawn on. And to do the other one, I'm just overlapping. Pop some birdies. That look really good if you did like an ombre to a blue. Look like a sunset. But I like these colours too much, so I wouldn't want to do that. Right, pop that under the lamp, 30 seconds please. Right, so now I'm going to go in with the Urban Graffiti top coat. Cap that free edge. Make sure it's all over the design and not a finger. Pop it onto lamp, 60 seconds please. Using the Neo Nails Cuticle Oil in Pink Pineapple. I'm going to rehydrate those nails, those cuticles. Because you don't want dry, nasty cuticles. So I hope you enjoyed this video and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All the products are listed below, and I'll see you next time. Bye!